In this video, we will show you how to create attractive film slider in PowerPoint. This one is fantastic way to display images, videos or key points in your presentation. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this, duplicate the shape, decrease size and adjust like this. Make multiple duplicates. Select all, deselect this one, select Distribute horizontally, press Ctrl Shift to make duplicate. Select all, go to Merge Shape, select Subtract, go to Shape Fill, select Color, Shape Outline, make it no outline, go to Transition, select Push Transition, go to Effect option, select from right and add sound here. Increase duration, click on right button, make 3 duplicates, go to first slide, add different movies content on each slide. Now click on slideshow. In today's video, you have learned how to make a film slider in PowerPoint that will set your presentation apart from others. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.